Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Happy Thanksgiving week. What we're seeing today, you've got a lot of pressure in the equity markets. This started last night in the open. China-U.S. trade tensions from the APEC conference started there, and then really you started to see tech take a hit today. You're seeing healthcare take a hit today as well, dragging the market down. There's a lot of support down here in the S&P. We know this level 2680 to all the way to 2690 has been very supportive. We're looking for the market average, looking at the range right now, coming from a high of 2748. We're already moving more than 60 points or about 60 points. So we look to see this thing sort of hold, get a rally into the middle part of the day. Now that doesn't mean it's not going to stall out again. We could be in for a volatile week just as well, considering the landscape going on. In addition, you have the addition to the U.S. trade with China, you have Brexit, you have Italy and the EU on Wednesday. So a lot to come out here as the week develops. Choppiness is going to probably be a theme here through Wednesday, but I do think we'll find this market bottom out sometime this week and then pick up into the middle of December. So again, be nimble, but a lot of support down here, 2680, 2690 to watch for. Look for a rally from this area, but doesn't mean we won't see some weakness late in the session. Moving on to crude oil, got hit early as everybody's been starting to price in those production cuts from OPEC and non-OPEC alliance. But then it didn't seem so certain this morning after comments from Russia, energy minister. But the market did put a higher low end. It's moving up right now. The futures expiration or futures settlement for the December contract brings a lot of volatility. Crude's trying to hold ground and act constructive, a higher low, but you're going to start to get some of these inventory expectations come out in the next 24 hours. Is this going to be that first draw? We need to see a draw on crude oil this week to break that streak of 8 weeks in order to keep this bottoming process, try to work through this bottoming process. And then lastly, the dollar, it's lower, but it is finding support at the 96 level. We've talked about in the FX rundown. Gold is consolidating around the 100-day moving average. Treasuries are off their high despite the weakness in the equity market. We like safe haven assets, but what we've said is really we want to be buying the dips in the safe haven assets or selling the rips in the dollar and then trading it. But that trade will come. It'd be a better trade here in a month from now. So stay nimble on that. But again, our rhetoric has been buy dips in gold, buy dips in treasuries, and you can sell some rallies in the dollar and look to trade out of that. Give us a call. We're here to help. With anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. Is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.